Hello guys, this is Giri here from Travelin. So this place is called Tashicho Dzong. It's a place of worship, and there's a building behind it that is the Sark building, and this is like around maybe 1.5 kilometer from the immigration office. So from here you can see the whole of Thimphu town quite a bit. I mean, the town is like in the middle of the hills, and it is just like fantastic. And there you can see the river, and this is one of the viewpoints. Beautiful place. So this is where most of the government offices government offices of Bhutan are situated, and there is a river flowing through it. Yes, and there really far. I don't know if you can notice it in the video, but I can see you can see the Buddha point as well from here. I mean, this is how it looks like. The whole place, beautifully crafted. A lot of I think there are a lot of hotels and buildings which is in the riverside there. And below you can see there are a lot of paddy fields. The main staple food in Bhutan is rice, but I think nowadays there are so many tourists coming into Bhutan that they have to import rice from India mostly.